It's okay. It's delivery guy. Come here. Lay down. It's okay. Lay down. Boy, come on. It's okay. Come on. It's just delivery. It's okay. Boy, it's alright. Don't worry about it. It's just delivery guy. What is that? What's in there? It's okay, boy. Take it easy. What's in there, Baha? What's in there? It's just delivery guy. Don't have to worry about it. Get some delivery? Do we? We get some delivery? Do we? I didn't say nothing. Maybe it's a neighbor, huh? It's neighbor. Good job. Good job doing your job, boy. Monday. I'm gonna close the window, huh? So that you don't get distracted. You should be good. They're gone. They're gone, boy. Good job. You did good, okay? Lay down now. Relax. Relax, boy. Relax. Chillax now. Nobody in there now. It's gone. Good job, my boy.